ZOLLER powerShrink machine. This is the machine powerShrink 400. We have two models, 400 and 600. In 400, we can measure length 460 mm and diameter 3 to 32 mm. In the second machine, we can measure length 600 mm and diameter 30 mm. We have the 12.5 inch touchscreen controller. It is a shrink by light and cool by light also in this system. We are just going to show you things how it works. It is a scanner. By scanning the thing, we will get the complete data on the screen. The data is here. You can see. We took the tower down. Now this is, you can see we will push the button start. It will generate. The time will come on the screen. Come here and put the tool here. The light it shows that we have to pull this, pull it down. Now we are going to pull it. See that it becomes red. It means it's hot right now. It will come blue and after it will go to green. To know more about the technology, kindly discuss with our experts.